What are you doing?
Workout.
Yeah?
Workout.
Alright.
Can you scoot?
Workout! Alright, spread out, spread out.
Excuse me.
Spread out, move over. Okay, lunges.
Lunges, what are lunges?
I'm not telling you.
Dude.
There you go. There you go. Nice and easy. Why are you getting close to me? Go step and then step back. Perfect. That's 10 already? Wow. Alright. 10 burpees.
10 burpees.
Yep, there you go. Yep, I see you guys popping up like popcorn. Whoa. Alright, keep going. Look good. Ah. Come on.
I'm going to put this on television. I'm trying to do my best.
Do your best. That's it? What, are you fueling up? Did you do 10?
Yeah.
Alright, 10 push-ups.
Push-ups. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
5.
Alright, you guys look like bacon on the sidewalk.
8.
What is that? Hey,
10.
push up. You're not pushing anything. Those are hip flexors of some kind of... It's the safest thing I think I could say.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, 10 sit-ups.
10 sit-ups. Okay. These things.
Yes, those things.
1,
I love it. Come all the way up. Touch the couch.
3.
Oh, there you go.
4. 5.
Get up.
6.
I love it.
7. 8. 9.
And get up. Do a little twist action, huh? Working on the obliques, kid?
That's how I do it.
That's how you do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Monkey, did you want to mean mug the camera? That's how we're ending this? Alright.